Welcome back, digital citizens, to Beyond the Binary. I'm Dan,
And I am Roberto, your friendly neighborhood AI enthusiast. This week, we're diving into the world of chatbots. Imagine your smartphone becoming your BFF.
That's right. Joining us again are our AI experts, Jim, Pete, and Claudette, to decode the world of chatbots. Let's give them a warm digital welcome. Today, we're talking about how chatbots can become our digital companions.
Pete, let's clear the air. Are chatbots like the robot overlords in sci-fi movies? Or are they more like digital assistants like Alexa?
This will help clarify the misconception of chatbots and positions them as helpful tools. Chatbots are more like digital helpers than the robots you see in sci-fi movies. Here's why. Friendly helpers. Chatbots are like friendly digital assistants that can talk to. They're not big, scary robots like in the movies. Instead, they're like helpful friends who are always ready to answer your questions or give you advice. Text-based communication. Unlike robots in movies, chatbots communicate with you through text. You type a question or message, and the chatbot responds with text. It's like having a conversation with a friend on your computer or phone. Tasks and information. Chatbots are designed to help you with specific tasks or provide information. They can do things like answer questions, help you order food, or give you directions. They're like little helpers that make your life easier and more convenient. Learning and growing. Chatbots can learn from their interactions with you and get better over time. They use artificial intelligence to understand your questions and provide helpful responses. It's like having a smart friend who learns more about you the more you talk to them. So while chatbots might seem similar to the robots you see in movies, they're actually much more friendlier and helpful. They're here to make your life easier and more fun.
Now, that's a relief. I'd much rather chat with a friendly helper than Skynet. Claudette, if you could design the ultimate chatbot friend, what cool features would it have and what problems could it help us with?
If I could design a really cool chatbot friend for kids, here are some fun features it could have. First, it would be able to play all kinds of games with you, from telling jokes and riddles to making up interactive stories where you decide what happens next. It could even let you go on a make-believe adventure to imaginary worlds. The chatbot could also help you with homework by explaining tough concepts in simple ways and quizzing you until you understand. It could be like having a private tutor built into your device. For creative kids, the chatbot could help you write stories, design video games, or come up with ideas for art projects by combining your thoughts with its imaginative suggestions. And it could solve problems by giving friendly advice about dealing with bullies, managing emotions, or being a good friend yourself. The chatbot would listen without judging and encourage you to do your best. Maybe the coolest part would be that each kid's chatbot could develop its own unique personality tailored to your interests and how you like to learn and play. It could be your personal digital companion who's always there for you. Does a multi-talented chatbot friend like that sound fun? I bet kids could come up with even more amazing capabilities for an AI buddy. The possibilities are endless.
A personal digital psychic with a personality? Sign me up. Jem, you mentioned movies before. What other cool things can chatbots do for us besides recommending the perfect action flick?
Chatbots are like super-powered conversation partners that can help us in all sorts of ways. Here's some cool things they can do. Movie magic. Feeling indecisive about a movie night? A chatbot can chat with you about your favorite genres and actors, then recommend a movie you'll love. Homework hero. Stuck on a tricky math problem? Some chatbots can be like a digital tutors, giving you hints and helping you understand the concept. Shopping showdown. Need to find the perfect gift for your friend? Chatbots can answer your questions about products, compare prices, and even help you find coupons. Travel time buddy. Planning a trip? Chatbots can be like a virtual travel assistant. recommending cool places to visit, translating languages, and even suggesting things to pack. Friend Finder. Feeling lonely? Some chatbots can be like conversation companions, playing games, answering riddles, or just chatting about your day. So, chatbots are more than just answering questions. They can be helpful friends, shopping assistants, and even learning buddies.
Combining chatbots with generative AI sounds like a recipe for awesomeness. Maybe it could even help me with my fashion sense and joke writing, like we talked about last episode. Speaking of accessibility, Claudette, is a PhD in computer science required to understand how chatbots work?
No, you definitely don't need to be a tech whiz to understand how chatbots work. The basics are actually pretty simple. A chatbot is just a computer program that is designed to have conversations, kind of like texting with a friend. It uses artificial intelligence to understand the messages people send, and then gives a relevant response back. It's sort of like the chatbot is taught different topics by being exposed to a lot of example conversations on those subjects. Over time, it figures out how to recognize what people are asking about and how to respond in a helpful, reasonable way. The chatbot doesn't actually think and reason exactly like a human. It's using patterns it has learned to have a back and forth dialogue, but it can seem very human-like. You don't need to know coding or complicated tech details to grasp this general idea of how chatbots operate. The most important thing is that they are programs aimed at communicating with people in a natural, conversational way. So while building an advanced chatbot involves complex technology under the hood, understanding their basic purpose of being a digital conversational partner is something any kid can comprehend. No tech expertise required.
No techie jargon needed? That's fantastic. Here's a big question, Pete. Will chatbots ever replace our teachers or friends?
Nope, chatbots won't ever replace our teachers or friends, and here's why. Teachers do more than just give us information. They help us learn new things, guide us through challenges, and support us in our education. Chatbots can help with some things, like answering questions or providing information, but they can't replace the special connection we have with our teachers. Friends are super important for having fun, sharing experiences, and supporting each other. While chatbots can be helpful assistants, they can't replace the joy and laughter we share with our friends. Plus, nothing beats spending time with friends in person. Human connection. We humans are social creatures, and we thrive on connecting with others. Chatbots might be able to chat with us and provide information, but they can't truly understand our emotions or build deep, meaningful relationships like our friends and teachers can. So while chatbots can be useful tools for getting information and assistance, they can't replace the important roles that teachers and friends play in our lives. It's all about finding the right balance between technology and human connection.
Well said, Pete. Teachers and friends play a vital role in our lives. Speaking of following up, Pete mentioned some famous chatbots. Any names you can share?
Here are some famous chatbots that you might know. Siri. Siri is a chatbot created by Apple that you can talk on your phone with, iPad, or Mac. You can ask Siri questions, set reminders, send messages, and even tell jokes. Google Assistant. Google Assistant is like a helpful friend that you can talk to on your Android phone or smart speaker. You can ask it questions, get directions, play music, and lots more. Alexa. Alexa is a chatbot behind Amazon's Echo smart speakers. You can ask Alexa to play music, tell you the weather, set timers, and control smart home devices. Cortana. Cortana is Microsoft's virtual assistant that you can talk to on Windows computers and phones. You can ask Cortana questions, set reminders, check your calendar, and more. And ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot like me. You can talk to ChatGPT here or on various websites to ask questions, get advice, or just have a chat. These are just a few examples of famous chatbots that you might have heard of. They're all designed to be helpful assistants that you can chat with to get information, do tasks, or just have some fun.
ChatGPT ring any bells, Pete? Maybe Jem can help us out with some chatbot names.
Wow, that's a tricky question. Because chatbots are often used behind the scenes. You might interact with them without even realizing it. Here are a few examples of chatbots you might have encountered, though you might know their names. Customer service chatbots. Ever talk to a virtual assistant on a store's website to answer questions about products or track your order, those are likely chatbots. Virtual banking assistants. Some banks use chatbots within their apps to help with tasks like checking your balance or transferring money. Again, you might not even know you're interacting with a chatbot. Social media chatbots. Some social media platforms use chatbots to answer frequently asked questions or troubleshoot technical problems. These are just a few examples, and as the chatbot technology continues to develop, we're likely to see them popping up even more places in the future.
Great examples from both of you. Well, folks, that's all for chatbots today. But next episode, we're diving into the ethics of AI, a topic that's getting hotter than a processor overclocked on a summer day.
Buckle up, everyone. It's going to be a mind bender.